Histology of lymph node. Lymph node is covered by a capsule. The capsule is made up of dense connective tissue. It contains many collagen fiber and fluid elastic fiber. From the capsule, it sends a septa within the lymph node. This septa is known as the trabecula. Below the capsule, there is a subcapsular sinus, and around the trabecula, there is a trabecular sinus. Lymph node is divided into the outer cortex and inner medulla. In the medulla, it is a lightly stained and it contains a few lymphocytes. The lymphocytes are arranged in the form of irregular branching and anastomotic cord. It is known as the medullary cords. And this medullary cord is separated by the medullary sinuses. So, medulla, it contains the B lymphocytes, macrophages, dendritic cells and plasma cells. The cortex, it is a darkly stained and it contains the lymphatic follicle. The lymphatic follicle, it is an aggregation of the lymphocytes. The aggregation of the small lymphocyte, it is known as the primary nodules. The nodules with the germinal center, it is known as the secondary nodule. So outer cortex and inner medulla. Between the cortex and medulla, there is a deep paracortex. It is also known as the thymus-dependent cortex because it mainly consists of the T lymphocytes. And lymphatic follicle into the cortex, it is mainly consists of the B lymphocytes. So lymph node, it is covered by the capsule. The lymph node lies along the lymphatic channels. So here we are not drawing, but the afferent lymphatic vessels enter into the lymph node. There are many afferent lymphatic vessels that enters through the capsule, but only one efferent lymphatic vessels that exits through the hilum of the lymph node. Schematic diagram of lymph node. Blood vessels enter through the hilum and divides into the capillary. Lymphatic nodules in lymph node is only present into the cortex, while in the spleen it presents all over the spleen.